Are you looking for the best honey extractors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best honey extractors that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Super Deal Pro 2. The 9th position is deserved by the Super Deal Pro 2 that only not has a very easier assembly process but also sold at a very affordable price. It equipped with an integrated clutch handle for the prevention of spinning. This tangential style machine is straightforward to use, even for a beginner. It is a high-quality unit that comes with extra protective film for durability. Investing in this product is going to let you enjoy a good honey extraction experience. Number 4. Honey Keeper Pro 2. Pro 2 is a great honey extractor available to shop at a pretty reasonable price for the customers. It is a manual model that is capable of holding up to 2 frames for the buyer's convenience. This rust-resistant model equipped with a metal lid and 2 handles for carrying it easily. There is a 5-gallon honey bucket set underneath the legs of this extractor that is enough considering its price. It is one of the best honey extractors that can be considered the right combination of experience and excellent price. Number 3. Happy Buy Electric Honey Extractor. The honey extractor that will top the list is this solidly designed honey extractor crafted in a durable construction. It equipped with 3 frames allowing you to perform the job completely. There is tangential extraction used by this equipment for extracting the honey adequately from the combs. Its motor rotates at the speed of 1,300 revolutions per minute for completing the extraction job effectively. Also, there are 3 stainless steel legs attached to the unit along with a high-grade plastic honey gate. Overall, it is a terrific option having a variable speed motor for completing this job quickly and conveniently. Number 2. Go Plus Manual 2 Frame Honey Extractor. The third option in the list is the honey extractor that only not comes with a great sort of efficiency but also beaten even top electrical models in terms of durability. The company has manufactured this model using top-grade stainless steel material that makes sure it serves the user for many years to come. There is a protective film added on the unit that ensures impurities never contaminate the honey. The chances of facing any compatibility issues with the frame are almost zero, making it a perfect option to shop. Number 1. Vingley Upgraded 4-Frame Honey Extractor. If you are looking to shop a honey extractor crafted in a robust design, then this model from Vingley Company that is never going to disappoint you. It comes with adjustable height settings allowing you to set things according to the requirement. You can fit up to a 5-gallon bucket underneath the extractor quite comfortably. There are legs bolted on the floor that you can remove for perfect use. Overall, this unit is going to offer you the perfect value for the money to the buyers.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.